The year is 2050. Imagine a world where cities are underwater, wildfires never stop burning, and deadly heatwaves make some places unlivable. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This could be our future. In today's video, we'll explore the top climate disasters that could reshape our planet. The science behind these disasters, what experts predict, what we can do to prevent the worst-case scenarios. So if you want to know what's coming and how we can prepare, stay tuned. And before we start, hit that like button and subscribe if you care about the future of our planet. The climate crisis today. Global temperatures are rising. We're already 1.2 degrees Celsius, 2.2 degrees Fahrenheit, above pre-industrial levels. Extreme weather events are more frequent. More powerful hurricanes, unprecedented wildfires, intense floods and droughts. Carbon dioxide levels are at their highest in 800,000 years. The planet is warming, fast. But what happens if we keep pushing the limits? Let's look at the futuristic climate disasters experts warn about. Future climate disasters. 1. Mega hurricanes and superstorms stronger than today's hurricanes, reaching Category 6 feet with winds over 200 miles per hour. Massive storm surges flood entire coastal cities like New York, Miami, and Tokyo. Why? Warmer oceans equals more powerful storms. Possible solutions: artificial reefs, flood barriers, and storm-resistant infrastructure. 2. Cities underwater. The rising sea levels disaster. The predicted sea level rise, 6 feet by 2100. Cities like Jakarta, Miami, and Amsterdam could be uninhabitable. Glaciers in Antarctica and Greenland are melting faster than expected. Possible solutions: seawalls, managed retreat, floating cities. 3. The great global droughts. Mega droughts lasting decades could hit the US, Australia, and parts of Europe. Lake Mead and Lake Powell are already at record lows. Agriculture could collapse in many regions, leading to food shortages. Possible solutions: desalination, advanced irrigation, and water conservation. 4. Firestorms. The age of unstoppable wildfires. Wildfires becoming self-sustaining, firestorms, burning for months, creating pyrocumulonimbus, clouds that spread fire with lightning. Forests turning from carbon sinks to carbon sources. Possible solutions: AI-controlled fire management, fire-resistant urban planning. 5. The unlivable heatwave. Some regions could reach temperatures above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, regularly. Human survival at risk due to wet bulb temperatures. Middle East, India, and parts of the US could see mass migration. Possible solutions: heat-resistant city designs, reflective materials, underground living. 6. The climate refugee crisis. Over 1 billion people could be displaced by 2050. Conflict over water, food, and habitable land. Countries struggling to handle climate migration. Possible solutions: global climate agreements, planned relocation strategies. Scary, right? But it's not all doom and gloom. Scientists, engineers, and governments are working on solutions. Let's talk about what we can do to prevent these disasters. Can we stop these disasters? 1. Renewable energy revolution. Transition to solar, wind, and nuclear power could slow warming. The goal: net zero carbon emissions by 2050. 2. Carbon capture and geoengineering. Sucking carbon dioxide out of the air. Scientists are testing carbon removal tech. Reflecting sunlight with aerosols or space mirrors. Geoengineering is controversial but possible. 3. The role of governments and individuals. Government policies, carbon taxes, emission cuts, and stricter environmental laws. Personal action: reducing meat consumption, using clean energy, and supporting sustainability. The future of our planet: a world of climate disasters, suffering, and collapse. A world of innovation, resilience, and adaptation. Hope exists. Technology and action can still turn things around. So, we've explored the worst-case climate disasters, but also the hopeful solutions that could save our future. Now, I want to hear from you. What climate disaster concerns you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you believe we need more awareness on this issue, hit that like button and share this video. For more eye-opening content, subscribe and stay informed. Thanks for watching. Let's fight for a better future, together.